Hello everyone, this is my task 2, prediction using unsupervised ML under Data Science and Business Analytics internship of Jan 21 batch at the Sparks Foundation. So here the question says from the given data set you need to predict the optimum number of clusters and represent it visually. So in supervised learning, the system tries to learn from the previous example given. But in unsupervised learning, the system attempts to find the patterns directly from the example given. So if a data set is labeled, it is supervised, and if it is unlabeled, then the data set is unsupervised. So basically here, you've been given only the x input variable, so there is no output variables. So in unsupervised learning, the algorithms are left to discover interesting structures in the data on their own. So first, now we'll import all the libraries. After importing all the libraries, we need to load the data. We use scikit-learn library in Python to load the iris dataset and matplotlib for data visualization. And we've given head because to print the first 5 rows of the column. So now we'll analyze the data. This is nothing but a the table information. So first you need to find the shape and you find the columns, the column names. It also tells you the data type of all the columns, which is object, which is nothing but string, character. Then you have the data information, the table information, it tells you the data frame, and then the type, the data types, which is all float, which you can clearly see. All of these are in decimals. So then the important thing, describe, which is like a summarized version of giving you all the detailed explanation of what is happening in a table, count, mean, standard, minimum, 25%, and a lot more, which will be very helpful in many steps. And next you come to plotting. So now you've plot the data. These things are not yet in clusters. You just plot the data of sepal length versus sepal width and the petal length versus petal width. So now coming to the elbow method. So the elbow K method, first let me talk about clustering. So in clustering, the data is divided into several groups with similar traits. So now this is ungrouped or unclustered one. So what happens is when an input is given, which is to be predicted, when it checks in the cluster if it belongs to the based on its features, and prediction is made thereby. So now coming to the elbow method. So k-means clustering is an interactive clustering algorithm that aims to find a local maxima in each iteration. Initially, a desired number of clusters are chosen. In our example, we'll see it's 3, and so we divided the data set into 3 divisions. So by using the data elbow method, we basically you find how to find the number of k value, which is the number of clusters value, and after finding the number of clusters, you visualize the cluster. So if plot and all the colors you can see in the legend. So now it is being clustered to many divisions. So this is it. This is unsupervised ML. This is an optional thing which I've done, which is known as DSCA and clustering, density based spatial clustering of applications with noise. So here in DSCA and clustering, it's a popular clustering algorithm used as a replacement for k-means in predictive analysis. To run it, it doesn't require an input for the number of clusters, but it does need to tune two other parameters. So this is the plot. Thank you so much for watching.